Are you going to give me a computer too? Ooh, thank you.
Mommy.
Okay, let me set it up. Our computers are next to each other.
Mommy, type on it.
Okay, you type on yours.
Mommy, type on yours.
Okay, I'll type on mine.
Mommy, one with 2 hands.
Okay, with 2 hands. And you type on yours?
2 hands.
I know, I have a computer. I have the camera in one hand, so I can only type with one hand. I'm going click, click, click. What are you typing? What are you working on?
Murphington. Murphington. Murphington.
Murphington?
Murphington, what's right there? Murphington.
What's that?
Murphington, my name Murphington. I closed my book.
You're closing your computer?
Look, I'm closing yours.
Okay, you can close my computer.